Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hi everyone, welcome to Kissan Tiffin Timetable. I'm Rashmi. Now it's a new day, but the same problem of what to make for tiffin continues. And that's why we've put together 200 recipes for 200 school days. Today we're going to make soya burgers. Now this is a very simple dish and it's one of those foods that you can carry easily to school and it's not going to be messy or gooey. And your kid is going to really enjoy eating that. So come along and let's see how to make har din naya tiffin, har din empty tiffin. Now for our soya burger, what we need to do is make the patty. I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of oil and turn the burner on. Now to this, I'm going to add 1 medium-sized onion which has been chopped really fine. And into this goes half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, about half a teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and I have 1 teaspoon of chopped green chillies. Now this is optional, it depends on how much heat your kid can take. And just saute this for a few minutes. I'm going to add half a cup of soya granules which have been soaked in hot water and drained completely. And I have 2 medium-sized potatoes which I have boiled and mashed, which goes in. This is going to help the patty bind well. And to give this nice flavor and add a little more pizzazz to this, I'm going to add about 1.5 tablespoons of Kissan Tomato Ketchup. This is going to give the burger this nice tomato flavor and it's going to sort of help this recipe come together very well. Now another optional item is the cheese. I have 2 tablespoons of grated cheese that I'm going to add to this mix. Give it a mix. You don't have to cook it for too long. You can turn the burner off. Now I'm going to add a pinch of salt because I've put in cheese, so I don't want to make this too salty. So just be a little careful when you're adding the salt. Give this a good mix and just leave it to cool for a few minutes. I'm ready to make the tikkis now. You want to make sure that this is cooled a bit. So the mix for the patty has cooled down now and we're just going to make these into little patties. We're going to make a couple of these. We'll roll it in the breadcrumbs. I have about 5 tablespoons of breadcrumbs in a plate. Just make sure you coat it well. And now we're going to just shallow fry this using about 1 tablespoon or less of oil. And we're just going to shallow fry this about 2 to 3 minutes. And now we're just going to flip the patties. Just make sure that they're well done on both sides. So the patties are done. I'm just going to put this on kitchen paper for a couple minutes. And now this is ready to go into the burger. I've got these small whole wheat burgers. I'm going to add just a little bit of Kissan Tomato Ketchup at the base. You can garnish this with some sliced tomato, or if you have some lettuce, you can always add that. And now you just place the patties on the burger and it's all ready to go into the tiffin. I'm going to add 2 of these burgers in and we have some sides. We've got some cashew nuts and some cut kiwis. So our tiffin is ready. This is very easy to make, highly nutritious and more importantly easy for the children to eat at lunchtime. For more recipes like this, please subscribe to India Food Network, and I'll be back to make more of these so that we can ensure har din naya tiffin, har din empty tiffin.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.